Where is the product? What is this very tiny product? PRRR. Brrr. Hi guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the MAC Cosmetics Advent Calendar. It is this beautiful star here. The cost for this one is 150 euros and it contains 24 products. They claim that the worth of the contents of this Advent Calendar is over 300 euros. We're going to check that at the end of this video. This Advent Calendar is so impressive. The size, the shape of it and also the design. It is very beautiful. And you can also keep the box to store your jewelry inside. So let's remove the cap and oops, it is very big. And this is the Advent Calendar, how it looks inside. Box number 1 is here. We have wrapping paper. And as I can see, we have an eyeshadow. This one is the Extra Dimension eyeshadow in the shade Havana. This is a full-size product and the cap of mine is a little bit scratched. It has a very beautiful stamp and I have never tried this type of eyeshadow by MAC. This is a light brown shimmery eyeshadow. It is a very pretty shade for a soft smoky eye look. Box number 2 is very close to me and I can't guess anything because we have the wrapping paper. Maybe this is a lipstick? Oh, what is this cutie pie here? This is the strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. I have tried this in another shade and I like using it for editorial makeup looks. It looks very nice in pictures, but you need to not set it. This is a very small product. This is 6 milliliters. The full size is 50 milliliters. This is how much we get in the Advent Calendar. That's very disappointing, very. I was not expecting samples in this one. Box number 3 is in the corner. And it is very light. I'm hoping it is not a sample again. And this is the lip gloss in the shade Candy Box. It looks like a mini size product. We have 2.4 grams of product. And let's see the color that we have. Oh, it has that very significant MAC scent, the vanilla scent. It smells very nice. So let's see the color. That's a very light pink lip gloss. This shade is going to look very nice on a lot of different skin tones. We have here box number 4. This is a product that I have never tried by MAC and it is the Pigment in the shade Rose. And I think this one is a full-size product. We have 2.5 grams of product. It's not going to be very practical to use because we don't have a shifter, but let's see the color. It is a little bit grainy. It's not very soft for a pigment. Maybe that's because it has some very fine gold micro glitter. So I applied a little bit more on my hand and we can see the color better. It is a rose gold and a little bit peachy pigment. Moving on to box number 5. Ooh, this one is a big one. What is this one here? It says in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Is this a mascara? No idea, but it looks again like a sample. Why? We don't have the quantity of the product or any other information. So let's just open this and see what it is. I was not expecting such a small mascara like this one. La, la, la. Next, let's see if the box number 6 has something bigger for us. This is the Prep and Prime lip. So maybe this is a lip primer. How do we open this? Oh, it is looking like a balm. And we have a twistable product. This is how much we get, but I don't have the quantity printed on the packaging again. I'm curious to see if I can use this as a moisturizing product for my lips or if I need to use it with a lipstick. Let me know if you have tried this. After that, we have box number 7. This is looking like a mini size lipstick. This is the satin lipstick in the shade Twig. We have 1.8 grams of product. Definitely this is a mini size. This is a creamy mauvish lipstick. It has a very nice pigmentation, as I can see. 8 is on the other leg of the star. What is this very tiny product? We have here the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is a setting spray, not for sale. This is the actual mini size of the product and it has 30 milliliters. The price of it was, I think, 10 euros. And this is how much product we have in the advent calendar. Are they serious? This advent calendar is expensive. That's not even funny. Box number 9 is bigger, but that doesn't mean anything, my friend. Let's open it first. This is the brow set in the shade Clear and we have 8 grams of product. It looks like a full size. We have a very basic applicator that we get a lot in brow products. Oh, it has a scent. It is like alcohol or perfume. Why? Why do we have alcohol in a brow product? Here we have box number 10. Oh, it doesn't come out, but it opens. Where is the product? Okay, maybe this inside the wrapping paper. Yeah, I can see it. It's here. This is the lip gloss in the shade PRRR. We have 2.4 grams of product. Again, it is a mini size. This one looks more metallic than the previous shade. That's a very light peachy lip gloss. It has a very nice glossy finish. Come here, 11. And what is opening? Right up here. Oh my god, what is this? Make your way, enjoy a complimentary 30-minute service. You must bring this voucher with you to redeem your appointment. With this one we also have these sponges, I think. These are the multi-formula foundation sponge and we have 2 pieces. I have never tried these. I think they are for powder. I'm not very sure if I can use them also for foundation. It's nice that we have both of them in the box. It wouldn't look nice if we had only this one. After that we have box number 12 and it is very tiny. Ooh, we have an eyeshadow. This is the single eyeshadow in the shade Mulch and it has, I think, a velvet finish. This is a full-size product. It has a nice opacity of color and it's not so satin. I think it is a little bit shinier. We have this chocolatey brown eyeshadow. 13 is a tiny box again. And let's see what it hides for us. Oops. Oh no, I see something very small. This is the Skin Base Visage. It is 6 milliliters and it looks like a sample again. We don't have any more information. I don't know if this is a skincare product. Let's see box number 14. Ooh, we have some lashes here. I don't know the style of the lashes. We don't have a name on the packaging. These lashes are looking very weird. They are not completely black. They look like they have some highlights and some of them are brown and lighter brown. The band of the lashes is black, so for me it doesn't make sense why we have brown lashes. Next we have another piece of the star and this is the box number 15. This is the Fast Response Eye Cream and we have 15 milliliters. I have never tried skincare products by MAC. I didn't even know that they had eye creams now. Box number 16 is a smaller one too. We have here an eyeshadow. This is the Tempting Lustre. It looks like this is a full-size product and let's see the color that we have. This is a light brown shimmery eyeshadow. It is super pretty. What I like about this shade is that once you blend it at the edges, it doesn't look very shiny. That means you can use it on the eyelid and blend it a little bit in the crease, and you're going to have a very easy smoky eye look. Let's continue with box number 17. This is the Cleanse Off Oil. It contains 6 milliliters of product. Again, not for sale, so I'm guessing this is a sample too. Cleanse Off Oil. Maybe for brushes? It is almost scentless. And also it says oil, so no, it's not for brushes, it is for the makeup. Most probably this is a makeup remover. This one doesn't have a lot of wrapping paper. Maybe we have a full-size mascara. I don't think so. This one here is the lip gloss. As we can see, it is a clear lip gloss and we have 15 milliliters. So I'm guessing that this is a full-size product. The other lip glosses contain 2.4 grams of product. I thought it was milliliters. This one is the Natural Radiance Beige Lumiere. It looks like a sample again. We have 6 milliliters of product and this is in the shade Radiant Yellow. Afterwards we have box number 20. Here we have the matte lipstick in the shade Lady Danger, and I have tried this formula in another video. It doesn't say how much product we get. This is a very nice red-orange lipstick. It is going to look very nice with a dark holiday smoky eye look. Box number 21 is a lot heavier than all the other boxes. Let's see what it hides. This is the Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Line Eyeliner Gel, and it contains 3 grams of product. This is a full-size eyeliner and I have tried this again. I used to love this one and use it all the time. At some point I discovered the gel eyeliner by Maybelline and I stopped buying this one because it is a lot more expensive. In box number 22 we have the Extended Play Gigablack Lash. It doesn't say anything about the shade. Maybe it is a blue mascara. This is a black mascara with a very tiny applicator. This is going to work for smaller eyes if you want to get very close to the lashes. We don't have any more information, so I don't know if this is volumizing or waterproof. It looks like a full-size product, but I have never tried this one, so I'm not sure. Let's continue with the box number 23. So we have here a lip pencil. It looks like a full size and I think it is a very natural peachy color. Yeah, I have used this one again and it is a very nice lip pencil. 24 is right in the center. It is inside the nest of the wrapping paper and this is a full-size lipstick. It is the Velvet Teddy Matte Lipstick and let's see the color of it. This is a very light beige purpley lip shade. This lip color is going to work very well with the lip pencil that we got. It's nice that we have products that can work very well together. To me it looks like they didn't want to increase the value of the advent calendar and that's why we have so many samples. The nice thing though is that all the products are not limiting anyone because you can use them on any skin tone. The variety of the products is not disappointing for me, but I would prefer some other shades for the eyeshadows because with 3 colors we can do a completed eye look. The Look Fantastic Advent Calendar is a great value for your money and the total value for this one is 328 euros. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!